Honey, the shower water pressure is too low. You may notice that installing a shower head out of the box, such as this Moen Magnetix shower head, when you turn on the water pressure is too low. In this video, I remove a washer in the water restrictor of my Moen Magnetix shower head that increases water flow and pressure. I unscrew a nut above the shower head wall in order to get to the water restrictor. I then used pliers to pull out this white plastic piece. It is a little tough to get out, so you'll need to use some force. Under that white plastic piece, you'll notice that little black washer there. That's what you'll want to remove. It should come out easily by just flipping it over. For the rest of this video, I continue with installing the rest of the shower head. I put in a washer for the shower arm, the shower head to the shower arm. Make sure it's tight. Adjust the shower head to where you'd like it positioned and tighten it with the nut. Next, I install the other two washers to the handheld hose on both ends. Then I connected the handheld shower to the hose. Now you can connect the handheld shower to the magnetic dock and then screw in the hose to the other part of the shower head. Now when you turn on your shower, you'll see significant increase in water pressure. You shouldn't see any leaks coming out of the hoses. If you're interested in getting this specific Moen Magnetix shower head, I posted a link to the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.